Hi, it's your boy, the Redneck Warrior again. As you know, I am the Great Cornholio. So, if you've ever come across this situation and you're kind of wondering out how to tighten up these little bolts, I'm about to show you. On these shocks right here, sometimes these little bolts right here come out. Those little bolts right there. See here and there. They wiggle and your shocks keep coming out. And you're like, man, how the hell do I get those to quit wiggling? Well, I'm about to show you. Alright, first thing you do is pop your glass. There's two access points on these. There's one there, and there's one right there. Take a flat screwdriver like so, pop out. Do the same at the top, and this will roll out, and you can get to the back side of those bolts. Tighten them up, they're 10 millimeters. Once again, this is your one-stop shop for all your Trailblazer questions and concerns about your damn Trailblazer, because you know these things are a pain in the ass. So, love, peace, and hair grease.